How to fix voicemail not working on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without delay, let's get started. Now, first of all, launch the settings application on your device. As you launch the settings application, you'll be able to see the option of about phone, so tap on it. Now select on the version of your device in order to check if you have any updates available. So as it says no updates available, you can go back and then tap on settings again and scroll down to tap on app. Then tap on manage app, and as you tap on manage apps, tap on the search bar to search for the application of phone. So let's search for the phone application on our device over here. It might take a few seconds, so just you need to be a little patient. So the app will pop up at the bottom of the screen over here. So just scroll down and you can see the phone application. So tap on it and you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner. So select on clear data and then tap on clear cache. Then tap on OK. And as you do that, you can relaunch the phone application and your issue might be fixed. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.